Another good day. What's good, everybody? Sammy here from Losses to Lessons. I'm here bringing you good news again. My Sammy Buy sell signals is going off the chain. Like, I got a buy alert from Tesla. I went live today. I got a buy alert from Tesla. I got a buy alert from APP pre-market, and they both printed. All right, they printed some good money. Um, I gotta pause real quick. This is not financial advice. This is simply what I did in these markets. It's volatile because it's going up, it's going down, it's going sideways, and then up, and then sometimes down. But today was pretty simple, pretty textbook. I'm gonna get into the charts real quick. I'm gonna show you what I saw and show you what I did, and hopefully you can learn from what I did, where I got out. You probably won't get out where I got out, but if I had stayed in, oh man, I'm watching the charts right now behind you, and Lord, stay tuned. Watch this. All right, let's get into these charts. All right, so this morning I was trying to look for a trade, of course, pre-market. I looked at, or I saw Apple was going up or whatever, and then it went down. Then I saw Tesla doing the same thing sideways. The Q was doing the same thing. APP gave them an alert pre-market, and it didn't go down. But I was thinking to myself, hey, Tesla under 400. I like Tesla under 400 because it's gonna go up. Is very attracted to Tesla. Then I saw GEV giving me an alert when Tesla was moving sideways or moving weird. So let's make Tesla and GEV big so that you can see where I went in, why I went in, and where I went out. So for my Tesla trade, I waited until it was green. I didn't go in right away. Usually or normally, or the old time I should say, as I saw a green candle and with my thoughts, once it's going to be going down, I go in right away. But this time I waited for more confirmation, and Tesla was going up and down. So I took my trade later today, like around 9:40. So within this 9:40 time frame, I took it. I saw profit, so I put in my stop loss, and I got stopped out. While I got stopped out around 9:50 or so, I saw my Sammy buy sell signal signaling me to, hey, pay attention to GEV. So I paid attention to GEV. I got in, and this is the one that paid me for real. I got in, and as I got in for Webull, because that's what I use, I put in my take profit stop loss. My take profit hit like one time, so I got out. When I got out, GEV started to curl back down. I was thinking, man, I could get back in again, but nah. I made exactly what I wanted to make, and I'm content with what I made. Had I stayed into Tesla though, oh, if Tesla didn't stop me out, I would have been up like 1,000%. This is 1,000%, 10 times what I make, or 10 times what I put in. So I got in at my 0.74. So this is probably worth 7.4. So hey, that would have been that's life-changing money right there, because I had a few contracts on deck. My Sammy buy sell signals is on. It's popping. It's doing its thing. It's not failing. It's not gonna fake you out, especially from 9:30 to 11 o'clock. I trust it from 9:30 to 11 o'clock for sure. Another ticker symbol that went off today was APP. Let me go ahead and make APP big for us. All right, so APP. As I said earlier, pre-market, APP did signal me to pay attention. I paid attention to it, all right, but I didn't like the doji was giving. It was going up, then it came back down, then it went back up. Then the second candle was a green. Then the third candle was green. I could have taken a position here in this third candle, but I decided to go with Tesla because Tesla looked stronger than APP. I made money on Tesla, but I could make some real good money. Both looks very, very similar. As you can see the trajectory, and it's not curling down. I could have stayed in Tesla for sure. But am I mad? old Sammy would have been probably chasing and gotten back in and lost some money. But right now, I am very happy with the money that I made on both Tesla and GEV. My success may not be your success, but we can definitely learn together on how to trade these markets. Now, I am very happy that I got out of GEV. You will see you will see you will see that GEV, when I got out, it curled back down. So all the money that I made in GEV, if I didn't put in that take profit stop loss, I could have given it all back and give my money to the market right here. So thank goodness I got out of GEV, because GEV, even my Sammy Buy sell signal is telling you right now would have been a good time to put in enter puts. So I've been paying attention to this probably from up here. If I was getting back into GEV, I'd have probably gotten back into GEV on puts right here and rode it back all the way down to maybe here and got out. I'd have probably, yeah, this one I'd have probably stayed in longer, because knowing how GEV works, once it goes up, let's say it goes up $20, it'll come back down $20. And it's like clockwork. You can rinse and repeat that over and over again and be very successful. GEV is still climbing down. I'm looking forward to Tesla pushing up to $400 next week. So that'll be on my watch list for sure. For next week, I am looking also for QQQ to hit probably 720. I'm also looking at APP to hit $500. So we'll see. It depends on what happens in the news this weekend. I'm going to turn it back over to myself to wrap up and close out. Are you still what you're talking about? Had I stayed in, I'd probably make 200%, 300%. Tesla really started to move exactly when I said it's going to start to move in my live. GEV started to move when I said it's going to start to move in my live. APP started to move when I said it was going to start to move in my live. The Qs started to move as well. The only trades I took today was GEV and Tesla. I took Tesla first. I got stopped out at Tesla, but it's okay. I didn't go back in. Had I went back in or had I stayed, I would make 200 or 300% on that Tesla play, like easily. GEV also printed. It started to curl back down. I'm glad I got stopped out. My goals are simple. If you make $400 a day, like, why are you still working? If you make $500 a day, even better. My goal eventually is gonna be like, 1,000 or 3,000. But for now, I'm simply trying to hit my base hits, which I did hit it out of the park today. My goal for these days are only $200 a day, and I'm hitting that consistently. Once I can hit that consistently, then I'm going to probably increase a little bit my position size and then try to hit $400 per day with my same exact setup. Then after that, I'm trying to double that, $800 a day, and then so on and so forth and so on and so forth. Keep on following me through this journey. What happens for me may not happen for you. My success may not be your success. But if we just learn together how to traverse these messy, volatile days, we can definitely make some money. Thank you for watching. This is Sammy from Losses to Lessons. Today's lesson was simply stick to the plan no matter what, because some stocks can turn on you and your contracts would be worthless. Some stocks are going to run away. Don't get FOMO. Do not get FOMO. Just keep at it. Bringing you real trades, no hype, real processes. You got to trust the process. Never count yourself out, bro. I'm going to be making another video this weekend at some point concerning how volatile the market could be and the psychology of the whole thing and when to enter, when to exit. My strategy works for me because what I'm doing, I don't like to gamble with my money or my family's money, because whatever is mine is also my family's money. So if you're thinking about gambling in the stock market, might as well you just go throw your money in the trash and burn it, because the stock market could be brutal, but it can also be very beneficial. So I'm going to be doing another video this weekend explaining how I think and how the psychology of the whole thing is. Stay tuned for that. I'm definitely going to be sharing that video this weekend. All right, y'all. Peace.